Today's recipe is stir-fried squid and oyster sauce. Hi everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, where all my Filipino recipes are all presented in English. Today's recipe is stir-fried squid and oyster sauce. Wait until the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some of my other recipes. Here are the ingredients of my stir-fried squid and oyster sauce. Squid, oyster sauce, fish sauce, garlic, sugar, carrot, tomato, bell pepper, onion, broccoli, and cooking oil. Now let's start cooking. Now let's start stir-frying the squid. It's absolutely gorgeous. Stir occasionally until the onion turns soft. Now the onion is soft, add tomato. Stir occasionally until the tomato turns soft. Now the tomato is soft, add the carrot and the broccoli. Mix it up. Add the sugar. Oyster and soy sauce. And it's very good with fish dishes. It smells absolutely gorgeous. Now we can add the squid head. We all stir. Cover and simmer for 5 minutes on a low heat. After 5 minutes, add the bell pepper. Stir occasionally for 5 minutes without a lid. After 5 minutes, it is now ready to serve with rice and enjoy. Let's taste it. Delicious. I hope you enjoy my stir-fried squid and oyster sauce today. And if you like it, then like it. If you love it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon.